So I've been having trouble coming up with an idea for a video. So I thought I could just like watch as many big vloggers like Casey Neistat or Peter McKinnon as much as them as possible, because I thought I could get like some inspiration for a new video through them, through watching them, you know? But then I quickly learned that I can never find my own niche if I'm always watching the same people all the time. But as a creator, you cannot do that. That's something you cannot do, you know? Even if you do love Peter, Casey, and his styles, you just cannot do that. Looking at their videos for hours and hours on end, looking for a creative idea for your own video is just too much. It's called overconsumption. The other day I was going through my YouTube suggested videos and I came across this video by the guy named Zach Raymond, and what he was talking about is the idea of overconsumption, that smaller creators will look up to the bigger creators and watch their videos for hours and hours on end to look for creative inspiration. And he talked about why you should not do that. So there's a lot of reasons why you're not gonna wanna do that, you know? If you're only watching one type of video or a few creators, of course your videos are gonna be just like those people, because that's all you're watching, that's all you're consuming. So, and then kind of collect your thoughts and find your niche that is, you know, your craft on YouTube. So one thing I actually did for a week was, bro, what are you doing? I just wanted to sit on your video cycle. Yeah, that's all right. That's fine. Can I take a seat? Yeah. All right, go ahead. Use this chair, okay? Okay, whatever, man. Just keep it down while I do this thing. This guy. I was just talking about how like small creators should like find their own, you know, niche, like their smaller niche, and how to do that. That's a pretty good topic. It's pretty interesting. I just wanted to, you know, put my input. So you don't have to look for a big creator and use them for inspiration. You can use your own random thoughts and ideas to make a video, you know? You see what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, I agree with that too. I guess you're right. That's kind of what I did with this video. Just kind of didn't know what I was going to talk about. I just kind of turned on the camera. You just turn on the camera, and then those random thoughts and ideas you get, those are your thoughts. Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. So it looks like you got this. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna step out real quick, and you can finish up the video. Go ahead, and you can leave. Like you can go. Yeah, I'm just gonna crawl underneath my desk. Okay, that's kind of weird, but okay. Yeah, just leave. I'm gonna go ahead and take over this video. So yeah, like I was saying, don't worry so much about, you know, being like those big creators. You know, something I had to realize that just turning on the camera and hitting record, those thoughts, those creative ideas will come to you, and then you're good from there. And then you just start create your own creative YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Bro, what are you doing? Yeah, that's fine. So you're just gonna cut me off?